Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S11 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So for this, we will need to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and just have it ready on the side for now. Next, on the device itself, we're gonna swipe to get our toggles, and you want to click right here on this power button, turn off the device, and once it turns off, you will want to hold your power button. Sorry for the focus. Come on, keep the focus, there we go. So hold your power button and volume down. Now the moment you start holding both of these buttons, you're gonna immediately plug it in. And I just realized, I'm sorry, power button volume up, my bad. So yeah, power button volume up, and I'm gonna hold it in this kind of position when I'm plugging it in, just because this device is kind of unwieldy and it's a bit difficult to kind of showcase this. So right here it's just the USB Type-C is just kind of loosely in there. So I'm gonna start holding the buttons right now, plug it in, and you can see that the device starts to boot up. When you see Galaxy, you can let go of the power button, and you can see this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here we can get rid of the cable. It's only needed to get us into this mode. Now while you're in this mode, you will need to use the volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which one you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the options, we have first one, reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Then we got reboot apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, view logs, run tests, and power off. Like I mentioned, you can just navigate through these and confirm them with the power button. Now I'm going to confirm the first option, the reboot system now, which, like I mentioned before, brings me back to Android. And there we go. So if you